Oh, hi. It's Dino Pinch. You're in my handyman zone. We're gonna reset the oil change light on the dashboard. Couple of things you should have on hand is, of course, you're gonna need some new oil, and you caught me crossing out the brand name because we are looking for sponsorship here in the handyman zone on basically anything. Oils, lubricants, cleaning fluid. Put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, but don't start the truck. Within 5 seconds, depress the accelerator 2, 3 times and hold it. There we go. Reset. Alright, so there you go. Key in the ignition, turn to the run position, but don't start it. And depress the accelerator pedal. In New York, we call it the gas pedal. 3 times to the floor, and then hold it. Oil life reset. Look, it's Dino Pinch. You're in my handyman zone. Thanks for watching. Smash that sub button while you're here, because this is the handyman zone. Over 10 million channel views.